Okay, Calvin, this is your marine carburetor. We got it all hooked up here. We're going to do a test before we try to tear it apart. Well, started right up. Let's see what it does. I run pretty low, but that's no big problem. Mixture's running rich right here, which that probably could be taken care of with some adjustments. Let's find out. Yep, that was too tight. I don't know what's wrong with this carburetor. I think when you get it back, I think your boat's going to run the same as it did before. That's why we're doing this testing on it right now, because I don't think we're going to be able to improve it much. It gets a little bit lean, but you would never notice that. And evidently you're having trouble starting it. That's why you want to get electric show. But I think you get other problems there, my friend. We're going to rebuild it anyway. Leave your email. Well, I guess not doing good. You got to get your email before you send you this video. Goodbye.